In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Stripe to your website and link a financial or bank account for payouts or enhanced services. Let's dive right in and explore how you can smoothly set this all up. First, we'll talk about linking Stripe to your website to enable online payments. This is essential if you're planning to conduct any kind of business online and want a streamlined, efficient method for processing payments. One of the most user-friendly ways to integrate Stripe with your website is through using plugins or by embedding its API keys. If you're using platforms like Shopify, WordPress, or Wix, the integration is pretty straightforward. To get started, you'll need to head over to your platform's payment settings. Suppose you're using Shopify, you'd navigate to the Payments section, select Choose a Provider, and then search for Stripe. Once you've found it, you'll go ahead and install it. It's a similar process for platforms like WooCommerce or the WebFactory Hub. Just keep an eye out for any prompts related to payment providers, and you'll be good to go. Once Stripe is installed on your chosen platform, it's time to fetch your API keys, a publishable key and a secret key. These keys are crucial as they serve as the bridge between your website and Stripe's services. To find them, log into your Stripe account and head over to the dashboard. There you'll see a tab labeled Developers, and under there, API Keys. Make sure to paste those keys into the appropriate fields within your website's settings. After you've successfully pasted in your API keys, don't forget to save any changes. One highly recommended step at this point is to test your payment setup before it goes live. Most platforms, including Stripe, offer a test mode. This mode allows you to simulate transactions without any real money changing hands, ensuring everything works correctly before you roll it out to your customers. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can ensure that Stripe is linked securely to your website, enabling you to manage online payments efficiently. Next, we'll discuss linking a financial or bank account. This will allow you to receive payouts from your Stripe account or take advantage of enhanced services if required. The process for this involves logging into your Stripe account, navigating to the Settings page, and clicking on Payout Settings. Here, you'll find an option to link your bank account. Stripe typically requires you to enter your routing number, account number, and other details like your business type or tax ID, so be sure to have those on hand. It may take a couple of days for Stripe to verify the bank account you provide. Keep an eye out for any small test deposits, which are a common verification method. And that wraps up our tutorial for today. You're now equipped to successfully link Stripe to your website and connect your bank account for those much-anticipated payouts. I hope this guide was clear and helps make the process easier for you. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips.